Let's see you roll over. Go on. Show Mom. Show Mommy how you roll over. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? Can you roll over? Roll over. That's scooting. That's good. Can you roll? No? You sure about that? You sure about that? Pick up those legs. Come on, flip them up. Come on. Yes. Yay! Good boy. On command. You still got that foot up in the air, huh? You want to put it down? You like it up? With your MC Hammer pants? Yeah, guess so. That's enough work for today, right? Yeah. That's all you got in you.